Today we're having a science magic show. What is science magic? Science magic can make the impossible possible with the assistance from science. And this is a demonstration showing how this is going to be played. And in this video, I'll show some parts of the device, telling you which part is which. And then I'll encourage you to solve this game with at least 3 solutions. And in the end of the video, I'll try to explain this device, how does it work, and what science concepts are involved. In my hand, I'm holding is a plastic case. In this game, the materials are very important, so I'm going to point them all out. This round case is made of plastic, and in the inner side of this case, there are 4 steel balls. As you can see, the 4 steel balls are running this way, and it's possible that they can block the exit of the case. And we also have a key ring. It's a key ring, and you can chain it with your key. And we have another very important subject to be mentioned. It's a $10 coin. And how it is going to be played, just first, as you can come a little closer, let's just have the 4 steel balls at other side, so they are in the opposite position. And once the 2 steel balls at each side are placed, we can insert the coin. And once the coin is inserted, we can start the game. And as you can see, even I'm placing the case upside down, you can see the coin is stuck. It's stuck in the case. It is impossible to be taken out. And the tricky part is that the balls are moving very fast. Even if I make the 4 steel balls, 2 at each side, and it's even if I make a very quick move, I can never. The coin is not faster than the steel balls. Let's just see how the balls are running. As you can see, the balls are always moving faster than the coin, so you'll always block the way. The purpose of this game is very simple, but it is never going to be easy. So the objective is free the coin. That is to have the coin taken out from the case. And I believe there are thousands of ways that you can free the coin. And I believe one of them would be damaging the case. However, it is forbidden this time. That would, because if you just open up the case, you lose the fun. So let's try at least think of 3 ways, 3 solutions that you can free the coins. And when you're working with the solution, and let's try to have some scientific concept in it. If you find 2 ways that you can solve this game, and you have to think at least two scientific concepts that involves in a solution. While you're working on the solution to this game, I'll try to explain some scientific concepts that involves in this game. And as I said earlier, the steel balls, 4 steel balls are moving very fast, and they are blocking the way and they're preventing the coin going out of the case. And why it is that the balls are moving very fast, and why it is that the coin is slower than the balls? Is this because the coin are very heavy? I believe it's not. I believe it has everything to do with friction. And what it is friction? Friction means the 2 opposite force that will against each other with a surface and the object. And in my hand, I'm holding a ball, and when the ball is placed on the table and it had only a point against the table, and so the friction will become less powerful. And so let's just imagine this is the coin, and when the coin is placed on the table, it has a surface that touches the table, so the friction is very powerful. I can barely move it if I press on the coin. And if I place the ball on the table, the ball has only 1 point against the table, so it does not have any I think it barely has any friction at all. So so the ball can move freely. Even I can roll it. So that is the basic concept of why the coin is moving slower than the balls, because the friction concern. I don't know if you have solved the puzzle. However, it is the official solution to this game. And in this official solution, as I said earlier, we have to talk about some scientific concept that involves in the solution. And the official solution concerns the centrifugal force. Like how am I going to free this case? I just place the case upside down, and as you can see now, the balls are still blocking the way. The coin cannot be escaped, but I'll just ask the centrifugal force to assist me. And so first I'll hold the key ring and make this case upside down, and then I'll use my finger to make it spin like this way. And as you can see, the balls are they're leaving their way. They're moving from the other two position. And if I spin it again, and the coin, you see the coin is out of the case because the centrifugal force. As you can see in the washing machine in your home, why it is that every time you wash your clothes and the clothes will stick onto the wall of the washing machine? It's because the centrifugal force will make the things make things or make balls stick onto the wall. So when the ball are moving to the other way, and the coin is free,